folks, it's Dan Foley from Do No Harm Music. Had the great fortune of being able to show you how to set up the new Immersive Design Labs array that has been optimized for immersive recording. So in the stop motion recording, you see how the array is typically set up for a 7.x.4 recording as well as playback format. But here's what's so cool about this array. You have a tremendous amount of flexibility. You have a stereo bar that you can use exactly as it's named, in a stereo format. You have multiple microphones that you can set up in a Deca tree, but what's very cool is that you can set it up in completely unique configurations that you may never have thought of. We just did a little recording session here at the Ex Machina Studios control room, and in no matter of time, we set it up in a manner where we've got an XY pattern for an acoustic guitar, 1-inch mic for vocals, and then there were 2 other 1-inch mics set up in an XY pattern for a second acoustic guitar. So what's really nice about this array is that even though it is primarily intended for immersive recordings, you have up to 11 world-class microphones that you can use with an extremely flexible array to do as you please. A little bit more about the microphones now. First of all, they're all omnidirectional, which you do want in an immersive setting because you do want to capture all of the acoustical information around. There is a 1/2-inch capsule, and then there is also a 1-inch capsule. One of the things I also want to point out with these microphones, they are all titanium. Not only is the diaphragm titanium, but the body is titanium, making for a very lightweight microphone, which lends itself very well to an array that can utilize up to 11 microphones. And when I say up to 11 microphones, actually it's even more than that, because you could add a total of 3 stereo bars, and now you've got a total of 6 elevation mics. So these are absolutely world-class microphones, extremely wide bandwidth, low noise floor, and again, very lightweight, lending itself very nicely to having a variety of microphones being used, along with the very nice carbon fiber array. Just to let you know, the audio that you are hearing right now is actually recorded through this array, through all of the microphones that you see in front of me. So let your creativity go wild, let your musicianship blossom, and have a great time with Immersive Design Labs in their new microphone array. Thanks for listening. Take care.